How to use iCloud Keychain on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. On this page, go to iCloud. Here, you can view your iCloud storage and all the apps that are currently synced to iCloud. Tap on See All besides Save to iCloud. You can manage how apps and features on this iPhone sync to iCloud over here. Then, scroll down and tap on Passwords and Keychain. Here, turn on the Sync This iPhone switch as shown. Now, go back and open the search screen on your phone. Search for the Passwords app and open the app. As you can see, all your passkeys and codes will be synced to iCloud. Following these steps, you can easily use iCloud Keychain on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.